gonna fit in much here. But if you're trouble and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make the people to think that they said we are just scared to live in shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will win. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Yeah. They could care less as long as someone will win. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. All together now, teenagers scared to leave the shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will win. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Leave the shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will win. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Tayo, kitang ilista mo si Rick. Si Bunso. Ilista natin si Bunso. Di pa ako nakakomment sa ating guys, sa ating playlist kagabi. Ayun, mag-roll call na tayo. From JC Leon, USA, thank you so much. PT76, I love you. Message, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Twins Vlog, Single Mom, Ma'am Salma, Franchas, Jane Di Franchas, Boostful Mill Channel, thank you. Vlogs, Wonder Bag, Abdo, Holography, Buspol, Donisa Vlog, thank you. Lucia Viton, Sir Dico, thank you so much mga masulit. Sir MMD, Mix Vlog, thank you so much. Shinin, Vlogging, Dela, thank you. Dela, thank you so much. Enjoy, and stay safe. And last but not least, Ricky Orona, ang ating bunso. Yung, thank you so much. Love you all guys. Salamat sa mga patapay nyo. Thank you so much. Sa natulog na dyan. Thank you. Salamat. Mag-iaya na po ako. Kasi masakit yung ko guys. Mukha. Salamat Thank you so much. Love you all. Take care all. Ma'am Lucia, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Mag-iaya na po ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye yun. Take care everyone. Love you all. At saka ipag-pray pala natin yung albay. Tama ba sa albay ba yun? Yung may bagyo. Oh Lord. Nagpas tao na daw. Sa liig na ba yung tubig? Yung daw, yung tao, yung ginawa nilang daanan is yung bubong nasa na sila, nasa roof na sila, dumaan. Ginawa nilang tulay daw yung ibabaw. Naku po. Ingat po, ingat. Ipag-pray pa natin ang Pilipinas. Ba't nag-wave pa? Yes, oo. Ipag-pray natin. Mga kababayan natin. Sana wala maging yung, alam niya na yung problema na ma-disgrasya, gano'n. Pero hindi talaga yan maiwasan eh. Ganyan talaga pag may calamity. Hindi natin yan maiiwasan. May pala. Yun. Let's pray for Philippines. Bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. Busfil, salamat. Philippines, Sir MMD, Ma'am Lucia, and all. Sir Rico, Ma'am Ella, Ma'am Watsa, Ma'am Leila. Thank you so much guys. Sino pang hindi ko na Bye-bye.